physician, the medieval equivalent to a doctor. Apothecary, a man often trained for 7 years who experimented with potions, mixtures of herbs and spices, and new remedies and sold them, mostly in towns or cities, and didn't give the treatment themselves. Wise woman. Lady of the house, another name for a wise woman, particularly one who helped other women in the community with childbirth. Some well-off women filled this function in communities. Herbal medicine. Simples, a medicine made up of a single herb or spice only. Compounds, a combination of ingredients designed to treat a specific illness or condition. Smallpox was treated with a compound of red rose, ground fine, and bamboo juice. Bloodletting bleeding was one of the many methods used to help restore the balance in the four humors. Illness was said to happen when the body created too much blood, so it was the obvious treatment. Leeches Cupping, using a hot cup to act as a vacuum to suck out blood through a small cut in the body. Urine Charts. Urine was a vital diagnostic tool. The physicians would look carefully at the color and analyze the smell and even taste. The state of the urine sample would determine the treatment, but urine samples are still taken and used today. Zodiac charts. Barber surgeon, a man who underwent 6 months training that did surgical operations and cut the hair of his patients.